we are going to deal with this question in this video lecture. So, this log function is outside, right? And there is a multiplication. The multiplication of log is not defined. When the log is in addition, then that changes into multiplication. So whenever you have a log outside, and if everything is combined within the log, this is the point where you can change everything into exponent. So here I'm going to raise the exponent. How we can raise into exponent? So the exponential function and logarithmic function, they both are the inverse function of one another, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to write the common base, which is 2. So now this is my input. This input will become my output, because in inverse function, input and output, they both changes. So I'm going to write like that. So this became my output. And now this was my output. This will become my input. And you already know how the exponential functions are written. This is how the exponential functions are written. So here is the x, here is the domain. So we are putting the domain as the exponent. So this would be the first step. I have raised this log into an exponent. So let us solve. 2 exponent 8 is going to make, I think 256 this is going to make. So you just check by your calculator. I'm pretty sure this is going to make 256. Now 251 plus log 3x plus 7. Now this 251 can be subtracted from both the side. I could write negative 251, negative 251. So that will become 5 is equal to log 3x plus 7. Now again we have just one log. Again, when we are solving the log, we change everything into exponent. Now let us again try to change into exponent using the same rule. What is my base? Base is 3. What is my input? This is my input. My input will become my output. And my output will become my input. That will become my exponent. This is how I'm going to write. So 3 exponent 5 is going to make 243 is equal to x plus 7. I'm from India, that's why I'm good at calculation. Like you can use your calculator, these numbers, like I'm teaching for a long time, so I just memorized them. So now x is equal to 243. I'm going to subtract 7 from both the side. So what that is going to become, so that will become 3, and then 4 I'm going to subtract. That will become 236, and that is the value for my x. And this is how you are supposed to deal with this question. So if you want to join our one-to-one tutoring services, you can text us on our WhatsApp, or you can visit on our website. So the link is given in the description box.